With 800 people distributed on the globe, PTV Group is planning and optimizing the movement of people and goods worldwide. In other words, we are providing solutions to the challenges of mobility in a digital form. Mainly to two markets. On the one hand side, we have the public space where infrastructure needs to be planned and simulated and more also managed in real time. On the other hand side, we have a lot of fleet operators, be it logistic service providers, be it public transport operators, but also new forms of mobility are coming up in that domain where cars get autonomous, get electric, rides get shared. Well, and those challenges we are addressing with our digital solutions. So there are a few cool things about the CodeMeter solution by Wibu. First thing is, well, the opportunity to use different license containers, but they all lead into the same standardized back-end process, which is of high value for us. Secondly, well, it offers a broad variety of possibilities to license our products. We have complex pricing systems, but we find the full flexibility to apply licensing to our prices. And thirdly, well, we are happy with the software protection, which is also included in the Wibu product, which is an important thing in some of our markets, that we ensure that our software doesn't get cracked and the IP gets well, away without someone paying for it. Well, as a software provider, you are providing your assets in a virtual way at the end, in a digital form. So, of course, you will want to protect your software, and you need to find a technical way to sell it, and that means licensing. And therefore, we did our research and found the best solution in the market by Wibu. Well, looking into our customers who are not interested in licensing, but they are interested in using the product, of course, we have heterogeneous usage scenarios. So they start in a network environment with some workstations where our product runs on. Next thing is that they have to check out the license because they have a disconnected workstation. Another employee is just on the travel, has a mobile device and wants to use the license. And that is the flexibility which we have by the different licensing containers by Wibu. And we have it all in our harmonized backend. That's a cool thing. So in some of our markets also software protection is really crucial, and to make that very concrete, we have competitors not making money in some markets because they missed to protect their software, which didn't apply to us. So no one ever cracked our licenses, not even in those markets, and well, that's pure money. So the next step is going to be a connection between our adaptive signal control products and the Wibu suite. And this means that, well, we are not talking about software on PCs and in front of users, but now traffic lights will be connected and at the end protected and licensed through the help of Wibu software.
We are very proud cooperating with PTV for a long time. First contacts have been back in 1995. From 2006, PTV is extensively using our CodeMeter technology for protection and licensing of their software products globally. PTV has the flexibility to store its licenses in dongles, in software licenses bound to a device, and use the licenses from the cloud. All with the same integration in their back-end and business processes that makes it easy and flexible for the customers. As well, they are able to even realize complex licensing models, allowing benefits to the customers like downgrade rights, to use former versions of PTV software as well with the current license for the current product. Further to the business relationship, we have cooperations with PTV in research projects as well, together with partners like Karlsruhe Institute of Technology or Research Center Computer Science, FZI. These projects help us to be on top technology, to provide solutions for future demands and future requirements at a very early time.